1965, Dej learned he was dying of cancer. Ceausescu felt such an opportunity should not be missed. The infighting that took place inside the palaces of top Romanian Communist Party leaders was usually a closely guarded secret. But two leading contenders told me how, as Georgiu Dej lay dying behind these walls, Nicolae Ceausescu outmaneuvered them, even though he was not the front runner to succeed him. In this secluded lakeside mansion, in the final weeks of his life, Dej made a dramatic decision which might well have changed the course of Romanian history. He decided to ditch the overeager Ceausescu. George Apostol, the chief contender, claimed that in the last few weeks of Dej's life, he became the heir apparent.
Înainte cu 3 luni de a muri, știind că este bolnav, să se convoace o plenară a Comitetului Central a Partidului Comunist Român și să preiau eu această funcție în conducerea partidului.